Good morning, class. Standard 12th account subject and chapter number 6, retirement or death of a partnership firm, in which today we are going to start in exercise question number 11. In this question, there are main three partners, moon, star, and sun, and out of which sun retired. So there is no new ratio and gain ratio for sun, only old ratio is given for sun. And again, new ratio for moon and star that is given in the question. And there are total four accounts: revaluation account, partners capital account, cash bank account, and balance sheet. Then after, I have prepared format for journal entry. Okay, so now today I am going to start the question number 11. I am just reading the question. Moon, star, and sun are partners of a firm. Sun retires on 31st March 17. Moon and star will distribute future profit in the ratio of 5 is to 1. Here, new ratio for moon and star is given 5 is to 1, but old ratio not given. Therefore, we assume that old ratio is equal. 1 is to 1 is to 1. Here, whenever old ratio is not given as per Partnership Act 1932, old ratio is equal. So, between these three partners, it is 1 is to 1 is to 1. New ratio given 5 is to 1. On basis of old ratio and new ratio, we put the formula for gain ratio, that is new ratio minus old ratio, and we got the gain of moon 3 by 6 and star minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 itself suggests that it is not the gain but it is the sacrifice. Okay, so now if we want to pass journal entry for goodwill, then I have already discussed in earlier class that retired partner credit, it means son's capital account credit. In addition to that, here the stars capital has a negative answer, so stars capital is also credit. Therefore, our journal entry will be like this: to sons capital account, to stars capital account. Both capital accounts are credited. Sun is credit because he is retired partner. Star is credit because he has a negative answer. And gaining partner debit. And that's why Moon's capital account debit. So now in this sum, first of all, we have to understand that whenever our gain ratio is negative, then we have to credited such partner capital account. Now, for step number one, first of all the entries that is distributed between the partners in their partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio, that is equal. First of all, in question, capital balance is given, that is by balance brought down. Amount is 1 lakh 60, then 2 lakh, then 1 lakh 80,000. Then after, general reserve. So next one, by general reserve account, total 90,000 distributed between these three partners, 30,000 to each share. Then creditors bills payables are not distributed. In asset side, building, machinery, furniture, stock, debtors are not distributed. And in cash bank account, two balance brought down, that is 1,75,000. So now step number one is completed. Step number two, goodwill related journal entry, that we have already passed. Only the amount is remaining here. Goodwill valued 60,000. Value of goodwill is 60,000. So whenever the gaining partner of anyone is negative, then such partner is credited. And now here there is a change in goodwill amount. Full value of goodwill, that is 60,000, is distributed between their shares. First of all, gain ratio. For Moon, it is 3 by 6. So in Moon account, debit side, 60,000 into 3 by 6. Then after, star 1 by 6. In star's capital account, credit side, 60,000 into 1 by 6. Then after, Sun has no gain ratio because he is retired partner. So his share is 1 by 3. Sun share is 1 by 3. So 60,000 into 1 divided by 3. Now you can check that total of credit side equals to total of debit side. So this is the general entry. Now we have to pass the ledger posting. So Moon's capital account debit 30,000. In Moon's capital account, we have to write in debit side 30,000, but 10,000 and 20,000. Total 30,000. Against 10,000, there is a name star, and for 20, sun. Against 10,000, there is a name star. Two stars capital, and again 20,000 to sun capital. Okay, so here we have debited Moon's capital account 30,000. This is 30,000. Then after, Sun's capital credited by 20,000. So Sun's capital credited by 20,000 and Star's capital credited by 10,000. So now Sun's capital credit 20, Star credit by 10, and opposite side name by Moon's capital account. Okay, this is the step number 2 that we have completed. Now we are going to step number 3. For remaining adjustment, there are 2 journal entries. First of all, number 1, goodwill adjustment is over. Second adjustment for creditor. So in balance sheet, liabilities side, creditors, old value is 60,000 given in old balance sheet. Now against 60,000, creditors are payable after 1 month, which are immediately paid. Means, now look at here. I am just calculating here as a working note. Creditors total value is 60,000, but it is immediately paid. And if it is immediately paid, then they are providing us discount at the rate 12%. So discount amount, that is on 60,000, there is a discount 12%, but this 12% is for full year. But we paid after 1 month, so discount is for 1 month. So into 1 divided by 12. Once again, 60,000 is the amount of creditors, 12% discount rate, and it means 12 divided by 100, and payable after 1 month. So discount for 1 divided by 12. So discount amount is 600. Okay, I have solved this equation and got the discount amount is 600. So creditor is for 60,000, but we got the discount 600, means we have to pay less by 600. If we got the discount for 600 amount, then amount that we have to pay is 59,400 paid. It means 59,400 that we are paying to creditors, and that's why in cash bank account by credit side by creditors, amount that we have paid 59,400, and discount is for 600. So this discount is our gain. So credit side we record as a discount by creditors. 600. And in new balance sheet, there is no entry for creditors. There is no recording for creditors because creditors stood for 60,000, but we have already paid by the by receiving a discount of 600. So finally we have paid 59,400. So if we paid, then our cash bank account is credited by 59,400, and another entry we got the discount for 600. Okay, so it is our gain. Then after point number 3, computer written off from the books is now valued at 12,000. Means suddenly computer arises and its value arises 12,000. Value of asset increase. So in credit side, we record a computer by computer. Okay, because due to this computer, our assets increase. So it is our gain, revaluation account, credit. But Moon will taken over the computer. Actual the second effect is in asset side as a computer. But this computer is not with the firm. This computer is taken over by Moon. So if any asset taken over by any partner, then such partner is debited. That's why Moon's capital account debited 12,000 to computer. Got it? Once again, there are two entries. First of all, it is our gain. So revaluation account credit, and second one that um, any partner taken over any asset, such partner is debited. Then after point number 4, after the retirement of son. So first of all, we have to close all the accounts and we have to retire the son. So we are going to step number 4, and still adjustment number 4 is pending. In adjustment number 4, old balance sheet transfer to new balance sheet. Capital done, general reserve done, creditors done, bills payable is still pending. So we write down bills payable amount is 10,000. Then after building in asset side, building, then after machinery, stock, debtors. Building value is 2,40,000, machinery 1,30,000, furniture 80,000, debtor is for 30,000, and bank there is no end because it is already completed. Now we have to do a total of revaluation account, and in revaluation account total of credit side is 12,600. This total we have to write on debit side 12,600. Difference is again 12,600 to profit. Now this profit is transferred to partners capital account by revaluation account, and amount 12,600 distributed between the partners in old ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1. So now there is a amount 4,200 to each partner. Okay. Now as per adjustment number 4, we have to retire partner partner's son. So, first of all, we have to close down the accounts of son's capital account. Credit side total, that is 2,34,200. Same total we have to write on debit side 2,34,200, and difference is again same. Against this difference, against this difference, we stood the son's capital as a loan by son's loan account. It is the difference amount. If any partner retired, amount due to such partner that we have to kept as a loan if there is no adjustment. So now 2,34,200 kept as a loan. Second entry in balance sheet liabilities side 2,34,200 to Sun's loan. Okay. Then after we have to close the total of Moon's capital and Star's capital. But as per adjustment 4, after the retirement of Sun, we retired Sun and the difference stood as a loan. They wrote Moon and Star will maintain their capital. So first of all, we have to find the capital. Capital means difference of this partner's capital. So first of all, we have to do a total of credit side from which we are deducting total of debit side and difference that is called capital. So first of all, for Moon, total of credit side means the means 160 plus 30 plus 4200. That's it. This is called total of credit side for Moon. Then after total of debit side for Moon 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 12,000. Total of debit side is 4,200, 42,000. Now difference means credit side minus debit side. Difference amount is 2,36,200. Okay. Same way. Total of stars credit side 2,44,200. Total of debit side is 0 and difference is 2,44,200. So now here the here okay, I have to less this amount. So now here the total capital for Moon and Star is 3,96,400. Okay, it is the difference and it is called a new capital. And as per adjustment number 4, Moon and Star will maintain their capital in new profit sharing ratio. Means this total capital that is 3,96,400 that we have to maintain in new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio given in the question 5 is to 1. So 3,96,400 into 4, sorry, into 5 divided by 6. And again 3,96,400 into 1 divided by 6. We are not maintaining in points, so we rounding off 66067 and total of these becomes 3,96,400. So once again, total of credit side for Moon less total of debit side for Moon, difference is this. Same way in Star, total capital for new firm is 3,96,400. As per the adjustment, this amount is distributed between the partners in the new profit sharing ratio 5 is to 1. So now this amount we kept in partners capital as a new profit sharing ratio to balance carried down. And amount for Moon is 3,30,333 and amount for Star is 66067. Okay, this is the new capital. For this new capital, there is entry in balance sheet 3,30,333, 66067, and total of these two is 3,96,600. That's it. Understood? It is very clear now that 3,96,600 that we have uh, distributed between the partners in new profit sharing ratio and two entry. Number one in partners capital account debit, second entry in balance sheet liabilities side. Then after we have to close Moon's capital account. First of all, total of Moon's capital account on debit side 1, 2, 3, 4 is 372,333. Same total that we have to write on debit side. and difference. Minus 1, 2 and 3. Difference is 178,133. So as per the adjustment number 4, difference is to be transferred to bank account. So by bank account. Okay. Difference is transferred to bank account. So here it is the difference transferred to bank account. Then after. Now again the total of star. In star's capital, credit side total is higher. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same total we write on debit side, and difference means plus 2,44,200 minus this. Difference 178,133 to bank account. Okay. So in Moon's capital account, difference is on credit side by bank. In Star's capital account, difference is on debit side to bank. Another entry in cash or bank account. If here it is the credit, here it is the debit balance, then in Star's capital, it is the credit side entry 178,133 by Star's capital. Same way, in Moon's capital, it is credit side. So in bank account, it is on debit side 178,133 to Moon's capital. That's it. Now we have to close cash or bank account. Total of debit side is 3,53,300, and same total we write on credit side. Difference is 1,15,600 in bank account, and against which we have to write down by balance carried down. This is the difference for cash bank account. Second entry is in balance sheet asset side. Bank balance 1,15,600 is the difference from cash bank to balance sheet. At last, total of asset side is 6,40,600, and total of liability side is 6,40,600, and total of asset side is once I have to check. In question, building value 2,40,000, machinery value 130, then after stock value is 45,000 and furniture value is 80,000. So I have to write here furniture, and finally total of liability side and total of asset side are tally. Okay, so this sum is over. In next class, we finally complete this chapter. Okay, so today's session is over. Thank you.